the kingdom culture, we expose weaknesses. That's a world culture that hide your weaknesses, appear perfect, appear strong. I have so much power that I know God will deal with this. Once I have this power, I expose everything. In the world system, it is the survival of the fittest. We become poor in the spirit. We are bankrupt in the spirit so that we can draw more to God in relationship. But in the world system, it's a survival of the fittest. Umuntu wenza noma yini ukuze athole ama results. Thina ukuze sithole ama results, we become bazalwane. We become poor in the spirit. Every day every day I go to read the scriptures. Nkulunkulu angazi. Inkinga emhlabeni wonke umuntu yazi. In the kingdom system, blessed are the poor in the spirit. I don't know, you know. Fill me up until I overflow. Lord, I need you more. Lord, clarify this. Oh, we inquire of the Lord. We hear from God. We ask him. Allow to be teachable. Be poor in the spirit. You are captured by the world system. Do not conform to the standard of this world. Be poor in the spirit so that you can inherit the kingdom. Be teachable. The kingdom culture says God's time is the best time. The kingdom culture says, I don't care, I am 40, I don't have a child. In God's time, if it is in his will, it shall happen to me. The kingdom culture says that position, that job is mine if the Lord is willing. For all good gifts and perfect gifts, they come from. Why should I rush? Why should I have anxiety? If the Lord is with me, who can be against me? Welcome to the month of the kingdom culture.